Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Graphics. We are honoured to have you with us. Here at Blue Sky Graphics, we are a leading online graphic design school led by industry and expert leading tutors delivering one-to-one online classes. We've been teaching for just over 10 years, enhancing creative curiosities and preparing future graphic designers for the real world. Driven by passion and performance, we are purely dedicated to the art of graphic design. Our website and enrolment registration information can be found at blueskygraphics.co.uk. So here in this video we're going to be using a technique called low poly. Low poly is fantastic and it can be used in Illustrator to mesh in three-dimensional computer graphics that have a relatively small number of polygons. So the term low poly is used in both a technical and a descriptive sense. The number of polygons in a mesh is an important factor to optimize for performance, but you can give an undesirable appearance to the resulting graphics. In terms of low poly and how to use low poly in Illustrator, you need to import a photo, use the pencil, draw triangles, and as a tip, it's often more advisable to draw small triangles for areas of detail and large triangle for areas with less detail. In this video we are working with the pen tools, textures of colours along the face line, creating those all important triangles, connecting points to maintain a symmetry, and emphasize work on illumination within the image and projecting the right colour. We're creating depth using this fantastic new drawing technique called low poly. Illustrator is one of the programs that we teach in the graphic design course along with Photoshop and InDesign.